How to create mega menu in WordPress with Elementor. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a popular open source content management system used for creating and managing websites and blogs. And now the first thing that you need to do is to simply go to your wordpress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. And in order to start creating a mega menu in WordPress website using Elementor, all you need to do in here is to simply go on the plugin section to start installing the Elementor. However, you should have also an upgrade account in order to do so. So just click the plugins, then click this add new plugin button, and after that you'll be able to be directed on this page. Just simply go to the search bar and search for Elementor. And upon searching on it, it will show you below some of the result. So all you need to do is simply scroll down until you find this Elementor right here. So kindly click on it or click the install button and activate it. After activating it, you can navigate here on the left side panel this Elementor. If you try to click on it, it will show you a variety of features that it offers. And this is basically what our website currently looks like. So this is basically, we have here three navigation pages such as home, services, and about us. And to start customizing it, you should also see some other edit with Elementor button on the top panel of it. Or you could also go to this settings option under this Elementor. You can simply proceed by clicking the Elementor homepage and click this create page button. And by doing so, you'll be directed on this page. And as you can see, we have here on the left side panel some of the editing tools that we can start navigating, some of the widgets, layout, and many more. However, in creating here a mega menu, you should have an upgrade account to do so, since when you try to click or search under these widgets, some of the Elementor mega menu, it will show you in here that it is currently locked, or you will not be able to access this or add this to your website on WordPress unless you have upgraded your account on Elementor. And to upgrade your account from here, it will show you a variety of plans that they offer. We have here Essential, Advanced, and many more, with the corresponding prices and also list of features included. So now going back on this page, basically when you have an upgrade account, you'll be able to start clicking on this menu and simply start customizing your preferred color, background, layout, and many more. But going back in here to customize our menu, you can simply go to our appearance and click this menu section. Upon clicking this one, from here we can start creating a new section of menu for our navigation, which is also the same on creating or editing using Elementor. On the pages in here on the left side panel, we can simply choose here or select a menu to edit. But for example, we're here to create a new menu. All you need to do is simply click this create a new menu button in here. And upon doing so, you'll be directed once again on this page. And from here, you can simply select here the menu to edit. And I'm going to select main menu. And below, you'd also enter the menu name. And even the menu settings, just click this primary menu to show on the top panel or to the header section of your WordPress website. And to add new menu in here, you can simply click this create menu below to proceed. And after that, it will show you on the left side panel some of the pages, posts, products that you want to add by simply clicking or checking these boxes in here, web here, home, services, and about us. And click add to menu button to start adding it in our menu, in which all of these optional pages will be part of our mega menu, which you can use also in creating in Elementor. But let's say you also want to add a new page in here that you want to add in your mega menu. All you need to do that is simply click the pages option on the left side panel and click this add a new page button on the top panel of it. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here where you can simply enter the title. For example, I'm going to create a page which is a gallery. And below you can simply tap here to choose a block or click the plus button on the top left. Then click this pattern section and you can simply find here this gallery and it will show you the template that you can choose from. So all you need to do is simply click on it to choose for a specific template that you want to add to your page that will serve in your mega menu. And after that, this is basically what it looks like. And to save it, we can click the publish button on the top right corner to save all of the changes, but you could also start customizing it depending on your preferences. So again, by publishing it, it will automatically be saved. And after that, we can now proceed by going back in our page in here on our WordPress and see what our website looks like. Or under this appearance and menus, it will show you that the gallery pages has now been added in our navigation menu or mega menu. in which it is basically the same on how you can start editing using Elementor. And now to visit our website, just simply click this view site on the top left corner, and this is basically it. We have here this homepage, gallery, services, about us. And also start customizing using the Elementor. Make sure to also upgrade your account in here on any of the plan that they offer in order to start editing or adding a new mega menu in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a mega menu in WordPress with Elementor.